Hi students. So in the class, last class I discussed with you SI unit and CGS unit and relation between Joule and arc and work done by the multiple forces. Today I am discussing with the nature of the work done in this case. Okay, right. Now see nature of work done. Nature of work. Here the nature of work is dividing into three ways. One is positive work done. Second one is negative work done, and third one is zero work done. So for this positive, negative and zero work done, I will take one example in this case. That example one, example number one. Here the example number one is if we lift a body from rest to a height h. This is the example number one. Now I am drawing the diagram. This is the ground. On this ground I am taking one object. This object is at rest position and this is the ground. Now one person want to lift this box to vertically upward. In this case the person want to lift this box to vertically upward. When he lift this box to vertically upward from the initial position, this is the diagram when he is lifting. So the distance I am taking from here to here, distance I am taking in this case s is equal to h. So this is the vertical wise, that's why in this case height. And in this case the person is lifting nothing but applying the force is upward. So force is the upward in this case, and the height nothing but distance, nothing but displacement is the upward in this case. So on this same block, the gravitational force in this case acting downward, Fg. Fg is the gravitational force is acting vertically downward and applied force is acting vertically upward. But height or displacement is vertically upward only in this case. So now see in this case, first one I will take first point in this case, the example number one, work done by lifting a force, work done by lifting a force. See the diagram, this is the box. So you're applying the force is lifting force is upward, and the block of height also is in this case upward, nothing but h in this case. So now this force and height both are in the same direction, nothing but both are in the same direction means in this case Same direction means theta is equal to 0 degrees. Already we know that formula, work done is equal to Fs cos theta. Yeah, first one work done I will take W1. W1 is equal to Fs cos theta. Force means F. Displacement is nothing but height is h. Cos 0 degrees. That is equal to Fh. Cos 0 value is 1. So then work done, first work done is equal, and in this case plus F. So this is the work done one. Right. Second one I'm taking work done by gravitational force. Gravitational force. One, see the diagram. This is the block. Height is upward, and the gravitational force is, in this case, Fg is the downward. Now we will see the work done. W2 is equal to second work is happening, second force happening. That's why W2 is equal to, actually formula is Fs cos theta. That is equal to, force is nothing but gravity force. S is nothing but h. Now in this case, this gravitational force and this height both are in opposite direction. Opposite direction means theta is equal to 180 degrees. Then that is equal to cos 180 degrees. That is equal to F. H cos 180 is minus 1. This is the work done. So W2 is equal to minus F. Sorry, in this FH. But here, this is a G. Gravitational force. Gravitational force. W2 is equal to gravitational force F is nothing but mg. Then mgh. W2 is equal to here mgh. But you can observe it in the case number 1. See, in this case number 1, work done is applied force is F only. But in this case, gravitational force, that's why gravitational force formula Fg is equal to, in this case, m into g. Right. So this is the two forces are acting on the object, applied force on the gravitational force. Now I will take a network done. Formula is W is equal to W1 plus W2. That is equal to, W1 is nothing but plus FH. This is minus MGH. That is equal to FH minus M into G into H. H is the common in this case. W is equal to F minus Mg. H is the common. So this is the total work done is happening on the object when we are lifting to vertically upward, as well as the force is nothing but external force is upward and the gravitational force is acting down. Okay, this is the total work. Thank you. So in next class I will discuss second example for this one. Thank you so much.